Hi everyone, I am Ben from Radiantek. We just launched recently, and we are subsidiary of Geniatech.
And it's optimized on AI development.
And it's optimized AI development, and we are focused on the ARM device. You can see ARM product.
And here I see all these AI accelerators.
Yes.
So there's a new one, Rockchip.
This is really a new one, Rockchip M.2 module. And you can see it's already deployment in this.
It's already running?
Yeah, it's already
running. What is the demo right now?
It's a VOM model running in the local site without the internet connection, and it not need the token cost.
And it's fast?
Yeah, it's really fast. Even each 2 seconds will give an answer.
And it's checking the age of people, or there's all these different skills you can do? What are they watching? Gender, interest, are they interested? Are they looking away?
Yes.
That's just a little example.
Yes,
and this is which model?
It's Qwen 3.5.
3.5 billion parameters?
Yes.
And it looks like this?
Yes.
So there's a 3588 together with the 1828.
Yes, it's a new AI accelerator from Rockchip.
And how fast is it for your company to make it work? It's like the first demo, right?
Yes, the first demo.
Very quick to make it on the market?
Yes, and it's a potential open cloud box, I think.
Open cloud, that's going to be fun. Because here we see a lot of other ones. There's also, here there's an NXP.
Yes.
So this is even more powerful.
More powerful.
And this already have some great experience with this, right?
Yes, you can see also deployment here.
All right, so it's running the 8M Plus together with RK3588, and this is the APC880 Mini.
Yes.
So you have Mini and not Mini, a bigger one.
Yes, it has more ports here.
So if we check here, it has more things happening.
Yeah.
It has HDMI out, this Type-C, a bunch of Ethernet. This one is a little bit more compact, a little bit less options, a little bit on there, but it can run the similar performance.
Yeah, same performance.
And what's really exciting with your subsidiary, you're working on, for example, I can see it's going to be Edge Claw, so it's like agents.
Yes, agents. Agents box is we are working on it.
So it can work on that. Up to 35 billion models. If you want, you can combine multiple M.2, right?
Yes, if the customer have a requirement, we can combine 4 AI accelerator together.
So you can put, for example, 4 of these next to each other. And it's 4 times 16, so it's 64 gigabyte totally.
Yeah.
And it's not 4 times 40 tops, a little bit less because you have to combine them, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it's like
112. 20.
112 or 128 or something like that, total tops.
Yes.
And then in theory you could run like Gemma 431B or Qwen, a bigger Qwen.
Yes.
Or Nemotron if there is one also 31B.
Yes. If the customer have a requirement, we can run in our site.
Nice. And it's, is this the Geniatech chip?
Yeah.
It looks like this. No, I'm joking. But
it's our logo.
And it's development of Linux, optimization, custom hardware design.
Yes.
And
this is our full stack service.
Full stack development.
Yes.
And here we see some other ones. There's also Hilo.
Yeah, Hilo have a great ecosystem.
So there's already a lot of developments happening with this. DeepX, what is great about DeepX?
DeepX, the temperature control is their advantage.
Nice. So it's not getting too hot.
Yeah.
And Memory X is also good.
It's also good, yes.
All right. It's very exciting to see Rockchip coming with this. And they have 2 different versions. There's 1820, 1828. It means 2.5 GB or 5 GB.
Only difference is the memory.
5 watts only. So it's very optimized.
Yes.
All right. Can we have a look at some of the boards over here?
Of course.
What do you show here?
This is our roadmap, and you can see several brands for us to choose, different form factor.
So all these accelerators on the boards, developments.
NXP, Hilo, Memory X.
This is just like a Type-C little
it's
dongle.
a dongle.
high-low. And
This is our system on module.
all right, and let's see some examples. So here we have the i.MX 95.
Yeah. Rockchip.
Here we have
Rockchip.
Rockchip, like SOM, beautiful SOM. Qualcomm is also with a high performance going on here.
Yeah. Mediatek.
The Geniatech also is very exciting right now, no? 520, 720.
Yeah.
You have everything ready for this?
Renaissance.
Renaissance.
Also very popular.
Renaissance. A lot of work is going on with this. 3588 is so stable.
It's smart standard. Like you can see the port is smart standard. It's modular.
And this one?
This one is Rockchip certified 76. i.MX 95.
8M Mini.
Yes.
3568. Different shapes
Yes.
going on there.
These are Raspberry Pi form factor.
There's also a shape like this.
Yeah.
You can fit with the little add-ons and some different rock chips right here. So this is also a little bit the full stack you're going on?
Yeah, this is our advantage. We can offer software support like hardware customization, software customization, manufacturing, value-added service. This is our advantage.
Nice.
Actually, it's a full stack service, and
Full
based
stack.
on the SoC, we can support this brand.
All these different chips.
All this brand.
And you're also working on with Horizon.
Horizon,
if people
yes.
want.
Yes. Horizon, Android, Yocto, Debian, Linux, several system.
Nice. And if I go back to this wall here,
Okay.
because it's really interesting to see. The crucial thing here is no token cost.
Yeah.
So you can develop this AI box.
Yes.
Can be offline
Yeah. Offline, without internet connection.
and can offer full security. Can you explain some of the examples of some of your customers, what they do? Like you have, for example, going on.
Like smart healthcare, we put our box with camera in our nurse room, and the camera will catch the picture each 5 or 10 seconds.
If somebody falling,
Someone falling, they will give
immediately give alert.
Yes.
Or if it seems like somebody need help.
Yes. And we tell the nurse they need to go to the nursing room to help the patient.
It's like a security camera in the nursing room.
Yes.
Can be more than one.
More
can
than
be
one.
all over the place.
Maybe one can do one
One
camera.
is for the whole
no.
one room.
Yes.
One big room.
One big
it
room.
can even monitor many people.
Yes.
Nice. And so maybe in theory this should be in every room of the nursing home. So then it's just perfect, like overview of what's going on.
We can integrate all the picture together in one interface, so it's convenience for the nurse to check the situation.
You already have like a kind of like a UI where the nurse can log in and check everything, or you can add things if you want.
We are working with the client about this.
All right. Any other example you want to talk about? What do you do with intelligent security or industrial
Intelligent
IoT?
security is like also a camera can catch the picture that someone have a knife, and it will give an alert to the security person and to do something to protect the people.
Nice. That's great. Because, for example, in the US, it would be great if there was special sensors that could kind of like, monitor if there's like violent activity.
Yeah.
And really make people feel safe.
Yes. Yes.
If there's like, in theory, you could monitor if there's a gun in the car with a special sensor. I don't know which one. And they will trigger an alert.
I think it's a demo that can give the customer a suggestion that they can do everything they want.
Nice. It's just some examples, right?
Yes.
It's just this is just starting.
Just starting.
There's so much potential for this.
Yes.
And your job is like to speak with the customer about what they want.
Yes. What I need to analyze the requirement and I can give a solution about the hardware and the software, and I need to confirm that the system can run stably.
And over here on the bottom of this, it also talks about traffic control,
Yeah,
potentially,
traffic
energy systems,
yes, industrial
even
automation, medical,
industrial automation, medical and health. There's so
retail,
much potential here. Digital signage and retail, agricultural screening.
Yeah.
So it must be a fun job for you, right?
Yes, really fun.
Because you talk with cool customers who have cool projects.
Yes.
And you say...
So many different industrial I will contact.
Nice. And can you talk about Radiantek is like new subsidiary, right?
Yes, really new.
So everything is happening quickly.
Yes, everything really run very quickly.
And there's like your colleagues, they're quickly joining to do this kind of project.
Yes.
And I guess you can say that the advantage of working with you is to get solution done more quickly.
Yes.
Better price.
Better price. Of course, better price.
Better price,
we can give the solution really fast.
Fast solution, also optimal, like no waste of time, no waste of money, no waste of...
We can work very quickly, run very quickly.
Nice. So it's very exciting to see. This is June 2026. Before December will already be many solutions, right?
Yeah.
All the time. I would like to see something with a bigger billions, more parameters, and that would be very fun. And the way you mentioned, right? You just add more, and they just talk together in full speed, like it's become like combined into one. That's how it works. It's really exciting how this works. And here we see the deep X like this, and memory X. They're all there.